This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Yet another Chinese car. I just want to show you guys, you're probably never going to buy this, but this is Wuling Binguo EV. And they just happen to have the Christmas theme here, but so yeah, it's a small compact car. It has the Rudolph nose here. Check here. We have, oh, interesting. Type 2 here. What? Huh? What? You mean that let me check here. Anything? Sorry. Don't have. Oh, GBT. Yeah. Wait. Is that GBT or is it Chademo? I think that's. I'm just kidding. I think that's GBT, not Chademo. So they haven't ported it for the Thai thing yet. Okay. There's some kids over there. I'm gonna try to. Yeah. I need to avoid people. It's a public day. Binguo EV. Wuling. Yeah. It actually has okay size trunk. Wait, what is this? It's like you can, huh? What the heck is this? Oh, oh, you take out this tray, you see here? And then you get more space there. Wow, it actually has a sizable trunk. I'm not sure what is point. If I would buy this car, I would throw away all these trunks. Yeah, of course. The GBT adapter. They need this to be able to fast charge it in Thailand. Oh, I think they even have the, yeah, this is like it's a gay converter. You see, it's a gay plug. So you can use because yeah, you can use the AC because in China they have the inverted type 2. Yeah. Why don't we just settle for the standard type 2 and CCS2 for the rest, for the whole world? And we just get rid of Imperial and only use metric. It is quite basic, but I mean it's still affordable. Only around 15,000 euros for this car. Now, okay, now it's available. I'm going to grab it. Front looks like this. Well, you have a big screen here. Can we fire it up? Put key center of dashboard. Okay. I'm not sure. I cannot fire it up. But yeah, physical buttons. Actually, okay resistance on for the feedback on the buttons here. Impressive, huh? Wuling. Let me check here. Can I? There, have okay space. It has electric adjustable seat. Try to close this. Okay, at least that works. Okay headroom. But center is wide open. What the heck is this? Oh, they have hooks here. Hooks for hanging your shit. USB-A, USB-C. But this is too open. If you have bottles or whatever there, it rolls over here and then suddenly you cannot break, right? Yeah, but yeah, I mean, it's still a Chinese car, right? And it has a Rudolph theme. So let's check out the back then. Might not have the best room here, but let me see. Okay, no center. Wait, no center headrest. Actually, this is a 4-seater only. There is no. Yeah, there's no one supposed to sit in the center here. So I mean, it's still okay-ish. Oh, not the best headroom. Actually, not the fist. Just a couple of fingers of headroom. That's it. But I mean, for that price in Thailand, if you just want an EV, then maybe it's okay. I mean, if I really had to buy a cheap car in Thailand, if I had the choice between this 450k baht or that 425k baht, I would pay 25k baht extra to avoid that car and get this instead, the Rudolph car. But it looks like a, I don't know, size of a Fiat 500e. I think it's even smaller than smaller than ID3 for sure. Yeah, so I think even smaller than the Zoe. But yeah, now you guys have seen it, Wuling Binguo EV. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.